New features are coming to the Photos app exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs, making it easier than ever before to edit and amplify content. With Restyle Image, I can transform any photo with just a single click. If I want to get super creative with it, I can actually design my own background using a text prompt, or select from a variety of preset filters like anime or watercolor for contextually aware stylization. Maybe you're seeking a set of visuals that doesn't actually exist in your inventory. With Image Creator, I can spin up an endless stream of unique images in a matter of seconds, even something as abstract as biomimicry-inspired furniture. Like Co-Creator, because these features are running on the NPU, rather than making the round trip to and from the cloud, these experiences are happening fast and without the need for any sort of tokens or premium subscription. And it's not just Windows inbox apps that are taking advantage of this dedicated layer of silicon.